Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please consider subscribing, like, share, and comment. A video that was recorded over 2 years ago, in a far-off area in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, appears to show the silhouette of a man, coming through a sort of portal, in a waterfall, then vanishing. The video was filmed by a woman using her cell phone. She could be heard talking to another person about what she was seeing. Did you see? Did you see the man? The woman asked in amazement. The apparition in the footage was standing on the rocks of the waterfall briefly, before retreating from sight. Could this video be definitive proof of the spirit realm?